Hello, everybody. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving in the U.S. anyway. I don't know about the rest of the world, what you celebrate, but here in the U.S. we celebrate Thanksgiving. We're thankful that, I don't know, whatever we're thankful for. But anyway, I've been busy the last few days working on the dock house at Cundy Harbor. I put a couple of things up on Locals and on Rumble of my progress, and so I wanted to show you what I have so far, a little bit more of a sneak peek. Here is the dock house right here without the roof. Go around here, and I was short one window, so I gotta look in my Titchy doors and window box and see if I could find one for that hole right there. They only gave me one small square one. So, Artie, you're slipping. But anyway, that's what we got so far right there. Okay, this is a 2-level dock. And here's the upper level right here. And what I did was I doubled up on the 3x12s just to make them a little bit more stiffer. And here is the main lower dock right here. I'll have to trim these back to fit in the area right there, but all these 2x8s planks go up on there. Not like that, but you get the idea. But anyway, let me see this. Let me give you an idea how this is going to look. This snaps in here like this. It's going to take a while to put this together because you got to put the two docks and the risers together first, and the planking. But anyway, here's what it's going to look like right there. And all this is going to be filled in with the wood decking. Okay, and then I got these bamboo skewers that I have to put the India ink on yet and cut them to length for the uprights. And if you can't remember, here is the view of what it looks like. And on my thing on Rumble, I used that one color. What I can't remember what the color was. It was Thicket right here. I actually used those as the background on the doors. I think that looks pretty good. And where's the other door here? There's the other door right there. So that looks pretty good so far. I got the signage on there. I'm a little bit rusty on it, so I'll have to do a better job on the next one. I haven't done one of these in a couple of years. This is the first one since I moved in here. We're here almost 2 years now, so I think it looks pretty good. Sometime next week, I'll have the thing finished. There is roofs that I have to work on, and the cupola. Here's the base of the cupola right there, and this is going to be fun putting together. These little deals right here, and these right here. That's going to be up on the top, and there is also a cooler on top of the office right there. That's that. And what else is in here? and the shingles. Now, if you saw some of my other videos, you know how I do the shingles. I did, I think I did the Gravely building. I showed you how I did that. That was about 4 years ago. So we got a lot of panels of the shingles and then the plain stuff. And we also got corrugated, that more than plenty. And we got some pallets that I haven't painted yet or primered yet. I'll be doing that before I get finished. And we got a couple of these. I don't know where I'm going to put that. Maybe I'll put it on a sign, like on a billboard or something like that. And what else do I got? Okay, we got some pieces of wood here. These are 2x4s, so I haven't figured out where they are. I have to read the directions to see where they put them. But here's a little bin. Okay, I got to paint that yet. And here's the tank. I guess that's a fuel tank. But I missed the bottom of it, so I got to redo the primer on that. And is the base for it. I'm not sure what color I'll make that, but I did that with the thicket, but I might change that again. And here are the combs. These are the rafters that hang out underneath the roof. So that's what we got. Look forward to finishing this thing. I like doing the shingles. That's a little time consuming. And if you don't remember how I did it, I had them stuck to my forehead on the Gravely building. And but they're fun to do. And I'll be doing it on here. So that's that's what we got. And I'll be putting some detailed stuff up on I'll be putting some detail stuff for my subscribers only on Locals, getting into the nitty-gritty of how I do things. So if you want to subscribe on Locals, it's $5 a month. It's a substitute for Patreon. In December, I'm going to shut down Patreon. I got it. I think about 10 more members on there. I'm going to send them another email and say, "This is it. I'm shutting it down." Half of them already went over to Locals. I got a few more people. I think 9 altogether. I'll put it up here. Who is supporting me on Locals so far, and hope you'll join me on Locals. I need 8 more people to become members so I could put more content up there. Right now I'm limited to 5 gigabytes per month, which comes out to about a half an hour of video. So I put two videos out there in a real short one, and that used up 4.44. So I don't have that much left. I got half a gig left. I might be able to put a short one on there before the end of the month. But here I am rambling. But check me out on Rumble and check me out on Locals. There's additional content up there. So I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Have a great weekend. And until the next time, we'll see you.